Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to raise your behavior score in Dota. As you can see, I have a pretty good behavior score myself. Anyways, here are 5 tips to raise your behavior score in Dota 2. Tip number 1, positive communication. Communicate constructively with your teammates and opponents. Encourage teamwork and avoid negativity. Tip number 2, avoid toxic behavior. Refrain from claiming, insulting, feeding, or abandoning matches. Toxic behavior can significantly impact your behavior score. Tip number 3, use report system wisely. Report players who exhibit toxic behavior, but avoid abusing the report system. Only report players when necessary. Tip number 4, participate actively. Play regularly and actively participate in matches. Inactive accounts may experience a decline in behavior score. Tip number 5, receive commendations. Receive commendations from other players for your positive behavior. Commendations can contribute to increasing your behavior score. Consistently practicing good behavior and actively participating in Dota 2 community can help you improve your behavior score over time. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host, Happy Gaming.